Hi everybody, how's it going? My name is Liam, this is my hobby room, and today we're going to be talking about the Gundam Today we're going to be talking about the Gundam Lafrith Thorn from Mobile Suit Gundam The Witch from Mercury. This is one of my favorite mobile suits from the whole Witch from Mercury line. I love it. It's different. It's got tiny little legs and really long wobbly arms. They're not wobbly, it's a very sturdy kit. And we're going to talk about it today. Now this kit isn't mine, so don't you go thinking it's mine. This kit was graciously loaned to me by a good friend of mine, and I'm painting it for him. So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to be painting this kit, and we're going to keep eating my own mustache. And then we're going to be talking about the kit, and I'll be showing you the kit. You know how it works. I don't know why I'm telling you this. This video is brought to you by BC Hobbies, so check out that website in the description and get all your Gunpla there, because we got tons of it, and we got lots of model supplies and paint. This is a really interesting design. It's so nice when I see something that's refreshing and different, but not like too different. You know, it's like going out for a burger, but you go to a new burger place that you've never been to before, so it's still a burger, but it's different. This whole line so far has been really good at knowing just how much detail to put in a model kit of this scale. It looks convincing. My only real gripe about it, is that it doesn't come with a closed fist, left closed fist. I mean, if they're gonna go as far as give you a left closed fist, they might as well give you a right one as well. So I got this aftermarket kit, resin kit. It's a conversion kit for the Ariel rebuild, which I'll be doing on this channel as well. I have a bunch of Witch from Mercury kits. I don't know. I know it's like the one that's out and is super popular, and for good reason. It's a very good show. But, you know, I made this channel focused on stuff that I really like doing, and like, I don't know, maybe no one wants to look at my obscure robots with me. Anyways, I'm actually really looking forward to working on and painting like every kit from this line, so that's probably what we'll be doing here for the next little while. So for accessories, let's start off with the beam diffuse gun. This thing is huge, and it looks pretty impressive. It's got a big battery on the bottom, your scope on the top here. There's a sticker that will go around that if you so wish to use one, and it's got some really good interior detail that is pretty impressive. And then it's got this funky looking handle here, which is you know, kind of fun. And there's actually nowhere to store this this weapon at all on the kit if it's not in the hand. However, there is this this peg. I don't know. Is this anything? Is that anything? I don't know. You can figure something out, I'm sure. Let's talk about the shield here. Whoops, there goes the hand. As you notice, it sits at a kind of a funky angle. So what I'm thinking of doing is just slightly elongating this peg so it can sit straight. And while we're talking shield, I think this is a very Gundam 00 or Gundam Age style shield. But it's really nice, looks really cool, and you've got two beam sabers on the underside that pop off like so and attach with that little peg. However, you probably won't be using them, as you can just take the two blue beam saber blades this kit comes with and attach them to the forearms like so. It's super easy. You just take this little piece, flip it around, and pop that sucker in there. Looks great. Looks real nice. As far as hands go, you get two generic holding hands and one really nice looking splayed hand with some spiky fingers. Looks really good. Very menacing. Oh yeah, and it comes with this big sticker sheet with some, you know, stickers and stuff. Now there are a few places on the kit that are hollow that I'm probably going to be filling in here. One of them is under the feet. I know it's under the foot. It's not a big deal. You won't see it very much. But, you know, just for posterity's sake, just in case you want a cool flying pose. Also, the back side of the beam emitter, which is just open facing, if you have it tucked away there, is hollow, so I'm going to fill that in as well. Ooh, there goes a leg. But this piece here looks awkwardly hollow, so I'm going to fill in those pieces. So I know it's a bit of a weird mobile suit, and some people really don't like it, but I love it. This is one of my favorite ones from the whole Witch from Mercury series. I think it really suits the tone of the show. It's out there, and that show is pretty out there. I don't know if you've seen it, but the characters are pretty wiggity. So yeah. So here is the Gundam Lafrith Thorn before I painted it, and here it is after I painted it. Ta-da! I really like it. I think it's really cool. And even like the shoulders and the knees, like there's just a lot of really unique looking pieces in it that you don't really see. Like different design philosophy, I guess. Little aspects of it kind of remind me of Gundam 00, and then other times I see Gundam Seed, and then other times I see like the late Universal Century stuff. But it's just kind of everything really comes together in a way that I think is really pleasing. I mean, I build a lot of model kits. I build a lot of Gunpla, specifically. And like sometimes you want to build Gunpla still, right? But you don't want to build like the same Gunpla that you built. You want to build a slightly different one, but not too different. Now, I actually really enjoy the phased array cannon. This thing's pretty dope. So it opens up like this, and then these little pieces angle in like that. And you've got some of the holographic stickers that I put in there. They're not as shiny as I would have hoped. I should have used the aftermarket ones and just cut them to this size. And it's got this super menacing face too. I'm a big fan of that head design. So let's take a look at some of the accessories. Here is the shield, all painted up. I really like it. I like how slim it is. It covers most of the super long arm. And there's the back unit. I did fill in a few places here with some putty, just to kind of hide the open gaps that there were. And here's the beam diffuse gun. I think it turned out pretty good. I just put a couple decals on there, used the green camera scope for the sticker, and then did a little bit of color variation just in a few areas. There is a tiny bit of looseness in the wrist joint here. I think the gun's just a little bit too heavy, but you could always strengthen up this joint by putting a little bit of super glue or something on this wrist ball joint here. So there are two hard points on either arm, either side of either arm, and I did fill those in with a bit of putty and then like sink the level down a bit and put a photo etch cap in there just to like give it some detail, like that port's not in use or whatever. The only one that's actually used on the kit is this one here for the shield. But yeah, there's that, and then I also put a little one here just to add a little pop of like, oh, a little panache. And then these verniers and thrusters here, I just painted lighter gray on the outside. I tried to keep myself reined in with the decal placement here, but sometimes it's hard to, you know, it's easy to go overboard with decals. Thank you so much for watching Liam's Hobby Room, everybody. I'm Liam. That's me. This is my hobby room. Next time, we're going to be taking a look at the Gundam Aerial. Yay! We're finally getting there. Old man Liam is finally caught up. So until next time, take care of one another, give your moms a hug, and I'll see you guys next time on Liam's Hobby Room. I know somewhere we could be. There's a place